With BOOQ, the process of holding talent for potential work has never been easier. Once you've set up your project, defined your role's criteria, and performed a search, you'll see the Hold option in each of the talent's drop-down menus. Tap Hold to create and send your offer to the freelancer, just like a regular booking. If they are currently held, then you will send a request to the freelancer to challenge the hold. The freelancer must accept your challenge to start this process. If they agree, BOOQ will send a private message to the booking manager that has the existing hold. If that manager accepts the challenge, then the freelancer is released and will be booked on your project. If they decline the challenge, then the freelancer is no longer held and is now booked on that booking manager's project. Either way, hold challenges always result in the freelancer being booked on a job.